Welcome to Bike Review Pro, your trusted home for honest motorcycle reviews, deep dive analysis, and real-world performance breakdowns. Whether you love exploring trails, chasing highways, or testing new tech, this channel gives you pure rider insight without hype. Subscribe and stay ahead of every new launch on two wheels. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L Red is Honda's bold step into the next era of mid-weight adventure motorcycles. It bridges the space between light dual sports and heavy tourers, combining agility, power, and long-distance comfort. This is Honda's most versatile off-road ready machine yet, engineered to travel anywhere, from dirt tracks to open highways. Drawing from decades of rally heritage, the CRF 750L brings precision engineering, lightweight construction, and a fresh design philosophy. It carries the rugged DNA of the CRF family while introducing advanced electronics, refined performance, and unmistakable Honda reliability. Engine and performance. At its core lies a 755cc parallel twin engine, tuned specifically for balanced torque and smooth power delivery, producing about 90 horsepower and 75 newtons of torque. It gives riders crisp throttle response at low RPM and steady pull at high speeds. Honda's engineers have focused on creating a broad torque band rather than chasing peak numbers. That means instant drive when you twist the throttle off-road and relaxed cruising on the highway. A 6-speed gearbox with wide ratios ensures you can crawl through rocks or ride effortlessly at 120 km/h without strain. The fuel-injected, liquid-cooled twin also benefits from advanced mapping that reduces vibration and heat. It's efficient too. Expect impressive mileage for a bike of this capacity, making it perfect for long-range travel. Chassis, suspension, and off-road setup. The CRF 750L's steel semi-double cradle frame blends strength and flexibility. It's light enough for trail agility, yet strong enough for luggage and gear. Up front, Showa 45mm upside-down forks with long travel and full adjustability handle rough terrain with ease. The rear uses a ProLink monoshock, also adjustable, giving riders total control over preload and damping for every load or surface. A 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear provide true adventure geometry, letting the bike roll smoothly over rocks, ruts, and sand. Dual front discs with switchable ABS offer secure braking on tarmac and full control off-road. Despite its adventure build, Honda keeps the curb weight around 200 kilos, making it more manageable than larger ADV machines. The result? Superb stability, excellent ground clearance, and predictable handling whether you're carving corners or crossing rivers. Electronics and rider aids. Honda equips the CRF 750L with a full suite of modern tech. Ride-by-wire throttle, multiple ride modes, road, rain and off-road, and Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, all work together to adapt the bike to any terrain. A TFT color display provides clear visibility in all conditions and includes Bluetooth connectivity for smartphones and intercom systems. Through this screen, you can customize traction levels, wheelie control, and ABS settings. The bike also supports an optional quick shifter, full LED lighting, and USB-C charging ports, adding everyday practicality. Every function is designed to enhance the ride without overwhelming you with unnecessary complexity. Design and ergonomics. In Honda Red, the CRF 750L looks every bit the rally machine. The angular bodywork, high-mounted fender, and sharp tail section show Honda's off-road spirit. The matte and gloss contrast finish adds a premium feel, while the bold Honda wing graphic completes the look. The ergonomics are designed for complete control. Wide handlebars, a narrow seat front, and balanced foot peg placement make it easy to ride both seated and standing. Riders switching from off-road to touring will feel immediately at home. Seat height sits around 850–880 mm, ideal for adventure geometry, and an optional low seat will suit shorter riders. The windshield is adjustable for better comfort at highway speeds, and the fuel tank, roughly 19 liters, promises an impressive range. Every detail, handguards, engine guards, and luggage mounts shows Honda's attention to practical adventure touring, road manners, and touring comfort on pavement. The CRF 750L is smooth, balanced, and easy to live with. The twin engine delivers steady power, while the long travel suspension absorbs bumps without harshness. Steering feels neutral, giving confidence in corners, and the bike remains stable even at high speed or with panniers attached. Wind protection is solid for long highway rides, and seat comfort is improved compared to lighter dual sports. Whether commuting, touring, or exploring, the CRF 750L stays calm and predictable. It's the rare bike that feels as happy on a twisty mountain pass as it does on a rocky trail. Market position and competition in the adventure world. The CRF 750L stands directly against the Yamaha Tenere 700, KTM 790 Adventure, and Suzuki V-Strom 800DE. Where it truly excels is balance. It's more refined than the KTM, more capable off-road than the Suzuki, and more technologically complete than the Tenere. Pricing is expected around $12,000 USD, varying by market, putting it squarely in the mid-weight adventure category. Honda's global dealer and service network give it a reliability advantage for riders planning cross-country trips. The CRF 750L is built for those who demand one motorcycle to do it all: commuting, touring, and trail riding, with no compromises. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L Red is more than just a new model. It's a statement from Honda that adventure doesn't need extremes. It needs balance. With its powerful yet manageable engine, advanced electronics, rally-inspired design, and legendary dependability, it's ready for any road, any trail, anywhere. For riders who value versatility, comfort, and confidence, the CRF 750L is a near-perfect middleweight adventure machine. It carries Honda's reliability into the wild without losing everyday usability. You've been watching Bike Review Pro. If you enjoyed this full breakdown of the 2026 Honda CRF 750L Red, hit that subscribe button, share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more honest motorcycle reviews, real-world tests, and rider insights only on Bike Review Pro.